Hey YouTube, how we doing? Man, I got a treat for you today. Seriously, I really truly do. I wonder what we're going to be taking a look at. It took me forever to find this at my local Walmart because I was not going to order this on Amazon knowing I can go about 20 minutes down the road and pick it up. But it is finally here and man, we got to talk about it. So stay tuned after we roll that intro. I'm going to tell you exactly everything I thought about that. Alrighty, YouTube, thank you so much for staying past that intro. Now, for you first-time viewers, thank you for finding my channel. It means the world to me. And for you long-time guys who have yet to do it, as well as you first-time guys, look down below. You're going to see a little channel watermark popping up down there. Hover over that thing, should pull up subscribe, knock it out the way early, and you go feel better about yourself for the rest of the day. Alright, as you saw by the opening, we're going to take a look at Honest Amish's Beard Balm. Now, this isn't the heavy duty or anything else. This is their normal beard balm. Now, we've brought one of their products to the channel before, and we brought their beard oil, as a matter of fact. Look up top. You're going to find a card that's going to bring you right to every single beard care product we have ever looked at here on the channel. It's going to be sitting right in there, along with a bunch of other neat stuff. Take a look in there. You're going to like what you're going to see. I can guarantee it. All right, so one of the things I love about Honest Amish, there's not a lot of crap inside the product. The box is really phenomenal. And I do like that. You know, it's like, open here. Okay, they are made in the USA out of Greenville, Pennsylvania, I believe it is. If I got that exactly right off their website. And it even says it right there on the back. Greenville, Pennsylvania. They are all natural and organic product. And what I seriously love about these guys, no, they're not made by the Amish, all right? But everything is made by hand from the original recipes that have been passed down throughout that family's history. I really like the fact that tin itself is biodegradable, reusable, and fully recyclable. That's kind of cool. You know, they're thinking about everything, you know, that you can even go around in. It's a 2-ounce tin, or, you know, for my British cousins, 60 milliliters. And I love how they say they are the most trusted brands for beard in the world. Now, this one's a little weird. You may want to pause it on the screen because there's a lot of stuff in here, all right? And they have packed this thing full of stuff that is very healthy for your skin, healthy for your beard, promotes growth, promotes repair, softens your beard, nourishes your beard. It does a lot. It's phenomenal. I mean, I've been wanting to try it for a while, just couldn't get it in my local Walmart. As you see, I've only had it for a little bit, and yeah, a little this goes a long way, as I found out the other night as I used too much. I also didn't expect it to be as wet as it is for a balm. You know, most balms that I've used, I have to dig in there with a thumbnail, and it feels like I'm about to break a finger getting some stuff out. Now, I love how they go. There are no chemicals, no man-made preservatives. Sorry, checking the notes, you know. No fake fragrances or colorants of any kind in their products. Now, they say this will help soften, condition, repair, dry, you know, splitting hairs, and nourish new growth. It's going to help stop beard itch. And man, for those guys just growing it out, you know what I'm talking about. It's also going to help stop beard rough and all the other wonderful problems that we have. And also, if you start growing out long and you get those wild runaway hairs, that's going to help control that. Now, here's the difference between like oil and balm. Okay? Oil is kind of like a vitamin supplement for your skin. Balm, realistically, is the same thing, but it adds a different level. It adds basically a hold. So when you put it in and you're, you know, brushing through, it's not, okay, well, the oil's drying out, now the hairs are starting to pull. Balm kind of locks it into place. It protects the moisture in your beard, it helps nourish your beard, it helps heal your beard, and it also adds a neat little fragrance in there. Depending, you know, if you get a fragrance one, but this one, The only way I can smell it is like, you know how you've been working outside for a while and you get that earthy kind of smell? Right there. You know, I'm not talking about your pig pen rolling around in the dirt playing with crap, but there it is. Now, for those of you who've never used Balm before, it's real simple. It's seriously just like beard butter. Take your thumb, go in there, scoop out an amount, whatever amount your beard requires, all right? Put it in your hand and you emulsify it, which basically means you turn it from that solid down to a liquid. And you do it obviously in your hands, and you start working it into your beard. After you've got everything you need coated, you just start combing it down. Comb it down, comb it down, comb it all the way through. You know, even lift up, bring the dead zone up, comb everything through. That way it helps cover your beard 100%, locks everything into place, and it gives you a pretty good look too. I mean, mine's not getting all scraggly today, but, things happen, right? All right, now you're sitting and going, here's the important part. Let's talk about price. It's got a very, very reasonable price for a 2-ounce tin. On honestamish.com, which is, their web store as well, if I didn't mention that, it's $12.87. Over on Walmart, when I went in there, $9.99. And on Amazon, $11.43. Now, this is the part that made me giggle. On honestamish.com, it's 5 out of 5, and it's only been reviewed 15 times. On Amazon, 7,117 times on this tin alone, and it scored a 4.3 out of 5. I very rarely saw any 1s or 2s. I saw a crap load of 4s and 5s. This stuff is phenomenal. You guys know by watching my reviews, I'm usually not a big Balm guy. This is seriously changing my mind. I've heard great testimonies from lots of other people who have used it, and I said, okay, well, let's try this out. I'm always open for anything that's going to help heal and repair stuff, especially, with the stress patch that's been popping up lately. If I can get that recovered back up, I'm good, because I don't want to shave the sides down and try to regrow it from there. No. I put in enough work, want to keep this and get the repair stuff going. Okay, I'm just checking. Yeah, it looks like I got all the important stuff covered for you, because, I want to make sure I do that. I mean, seriously, even look at the label. It's just kind of awesome in itself. But here's the fun part. This is what I want to know what you guys have to say. Questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, whatever, down below in the comments section. You guys know I want to hear it. I seriously love this stuff. Their beard oil is one of my favorite go-to ones. This is now becoming part of my nighttime routine. Before I go to bed, I'll get that in there. And it just makes the beard feel so much better when it's in there. It really, truly does. Guys, I want to know, do you use Honest Amish? Have you? Successes, failures, whatever. How about you guys that use beard balms all the time? What do you think about them? Let's help other beardsmen out there, because, well, I can tell you a bunch about oil and butters. I'm learning more about balms. A lot more about balms. Sorry. All right, let's get the wrap up going. So, for you first-time viewers of the channel, like I said at the beginning of the video, thank you for finding my channel, and thank you for giving me some of your time. I know your time is very, very valuable to you, and I'm very thankful for you investing some of it with me. Now, for you first-timers who didn't do it at the beginning of the video, and you long-time viewers who have not yet to subscribe, here's your second chance at redemption, because here on this channel, we believe wholeheartedly in redemption. Look down below. It should be in that corner right there. There's going to be a big channel symbol popping up. Man, click on that thing. It's going to take you right to subscribe. After you subscribe, please beat up the bell icon that's right next to it. Why? Great question. Because it's going to notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time I upload a brand new video. Now, y'all already know, because we're speaking of videos, 2 are going to be popping up on that side of the screen over there. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog of videos that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. And guys, sorry about that focus thing. Is it doing it now? I can see it on my end where it's like, hi, I'm fine. And all of a sudden, pooh, everything's gone. Then it's back to focus. Then, pooh, everything's gone. So this video may be a little weird, but you're seeing in editing, but But anywho, guys, there is my basically review of Honest Amish's Beard Balm. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope all of you have an incredible day today.